Good day everyone, I am Muhammad Najib Sulaiman. I am reporter number 34 and today we will tackle about the different body types. What are the different body types? Everyone has a unique combination of physical, mental, and emotional qualities. To maintain a good physical and mental state, it is appropriate to say that an adequate knowledge of yourself is important. Before engaging in a series of exercises, you must first identify what body type you have in order to choose activities best fitted to your body capacities and training programs. Bawat isa sa atin ay may unique na physical, mental at emotional qualities. Para ma-maintain natin ang healthy physical at mental state, kailangan muna natin kilalanin ang ating sarili. Kung bago pa lang tayo sa pag-exercise, kailangan muna natin malaman ang ating body type. Kung tayo ba ay isang ectomorph, mesomorph o endomorph. Para malaman natin kung ano ang mga exercise na nababagay sa ating body type o sa ating kakayahan. The ectomorph. This body type is characterized with slender bodies, short trunks, and long arms and legs. His feet are long and narrow with narrow chest, long slender neck, and very little amount of fat. Muscles are weak and thin with weak tendons and joints that are cause of poor posture, lack of body power, and strength. Sa madaling salita, ang mga ectomorph ay mapapayat at nahihirapan magpataas ng timbang dahil sa kanilang mabilis na metabolism. Kailangan nila ng tamang nutrisyon at tamang exercise tulad ng resistance training, compound exercise o magbuhat ng mga mabibigat na gym equipment para mabuild ang kanilang muscle at magkaroon ng malusog at balanseng katawan. The mesomorph. It is characterized by a solid muscular physique, strong with large chest, slender waist, long torso with short but powerful legs and arms, moderate in height and very strong in carrying weights. Mesomorphs are persons good in events that require strength, agility, power, and endurance. Ang mga mesomorph na tao ay athletic, balanseng katawan at malakas. Kailangan nilang ipagpatuloy ang regular na exercise at tamang nutrisyon para mapanatili ang kalusugan at balanseng katawan. The endomorph. It is characterized by excess body fat distribution, lack of bony angularity, and floppy muscles. The arms, trunks, and legs look rounded and fatty, with a rounded face, double chin, and short neck. Their hips, abdomen, thighs, buttocks, and upper arms are full of fatty pads, while the chest of an endomorphic man tends to be like the breast of a woman. Endomorphic person must exercise frequently. Kailangan ng mga endomorph mag-exercise ng madalas dahil sa kalakihan ng proporsyon ng kanilang katawan. Mahalaga ang proper nutrition at tamang exercise sa mga endomorph tulad ng jogging, walking, cycling at iba pa dahil makakatulong ito para mabawasan ang taba sa katawan at makamit nila ang kanilang goal sa kalusugan at fitness.